Hey guys, it's Franny from the Frenzy TV. I'm here with the lovely R&B singer Danni. How are you doing?
Good.
Good?
Yeah.
So we're going to chat today and find out more about her. She's unsigned, she's new, and she's hot. Like, her voice is crazy. You're going to sing for us today too, right?
Of course.
So, you guys are going to get a little taste. So, let's talk about where you're from. Where are you from?
I grew up in Boston.
Yeah?
Yes.
So you're not from New York?
No.
So what made you travel to New York?
Music.
So you came here just to pursue your dream?
Yep.
So you can't do music in Boston? What's the deal?
I just feel like here is more, it's more. There, not really. I mean, there's no labels in Boston, no Broadway shows. Like, we don't have that. And, I mean, it's small, and I just kind of didn't want to be there anymore. It's boring. New York is so live and big. You can do so much and see so much and have so much inspiration, and you meet so many people who do the same thing you do. So, not in Boston.
So how long have you been here?
I would say I've been here for like 3.5 years now.
That's a long time. So you feel settled in?
Yeah, definitely.
Okay,
this
so let's talk a little bit about the music. Okay. Were you born into music? Were you just discovered? Like, how did that happen?
I wouldn't say I was born into music because I wasn't born into a family who like did music and that's what they focused on. I think it just like was something that I was just born to do, really, because I mean, I remember like my mom has like videos of me like at the age of like 4 singing in Vogue and stuff like that. So I mean, my mother can't sing. She always says, "I wonder where you get
Nobody
it from."
can sing?
Nobody. So I mean, I was not a shy kid. I was just always like, I always wanted to do something that had to do with like big crowds. I used to want to be an ice skater, a dancer. Like,
that's very
music is
different.
Just something,
so did you ever do anything else besides singing, or was this like your first passion that you just said you're gonna follow?
This was the first.
So how's it going so far?
Amazing.
So tell us about the music. Like, what's your music?
My music?
Yeah.
I mean, it's like a pop, R&B, hip hop, jazz feel. I mean, I'm trying to come up with my own sound. You know, you try to fall into place. But I'm just doing everything right now. I'm just trying to see where I fit in as an artist and
so who's some of your favorite artists that you can, you feel like you can categorize yourself in, but still not them? Beyonce,
for her powerful voice and just the crazy things she do. Rihanna for the edge. You know, she like
she's edgy,
very sexy and edgy. Aretha Franklin, just the soul.
And I heard your YouTube channel. The first time I heard her, she was singing 10 Seconds by Jasmine Sullivan, and that video is going crazy on YouTube right now. Like, a lot of hits, and I felt like your voice was very beautiful, it's very soulful, and that's what really caught me. And I'm like, I need to interview this girl, right? So I just feel like she's like one of the people that you have to get to know like right now before she just blows up and then she doesn't know anybody anymore.
I would never do that.
No, I'm just joking. But yeah, so tell us a little bit about what you're working on right now.
So right now, I'm working with different producers. One of my main producers, Wayne. Today, we're actually working on something that we think is going to be like a really big track. It's very original. I'm just trying to, do the norm, like up-tempo, ballad, and
try a little bit of everything.
Try a little bit of everything so people can see like where your voice stands. But that's what I try to do with my YouTubes as well. Just do a little bit of everything so people don't think that I'm just stuck on like,
the same thing.
Yeah, the same thing. You want people to see that you're different and that you can actually do other things. So
how do you feel about music in general right now? Because we all feel like, I feel like music isn't the same anymore. Like, you can just come out with your boobies out, your booty out, and not sing, and you sell. But then somebody with a voice like you gets overshadowed because of the booty and the boobies. So what do you feel about that?
I mean, it's all about timing. So I can't really knock that. I mean, they're where they are for a reason. So, I mean, I think it's more about timing. I don't feel like I'm overshadowed. I just feel like I haven't had my time yet to really prove to people, like, who I am. And people don't really know me because I haven't really gotten myself out there yet. So, hopefully, like, the YouTubes and the Twitter thing and, like, just the internet is going to, like, really break me in so people can know who I am. But, I mean, I don't really knock them. I mean, you look at it and you're just like, oh, really? But then it's like, I know I'm not discouraged by that at all. I know that sooner or later it's going to be my turn. And then.
So do you want to ultimately get signed to like a big label, or would you rather like stick to a smaller label where you can probably get a lot of attention and not get overshadowed by other artists?
I mean, I would love to be with a big label, of course. I mean, I want to be where I'm going to fit in and where I'm actually going to make music. I don't want to be signed and then be shelved or just not do anything, because you can get signed tomorrow and not put out an album or not do anything. And there's a lot of artists like that, and I don't want to do that because, you know, I feel like I'm talented and I just love singing and I love performing and I love just recording. So, I mean, I'm not really concerned about being overshadowed either, so I'm trying to just get in where I fit in.
Okay, I like that. So you're gonna get into a little bit of singing, if she doesn't mind.
I don't mind.
All right.
Do you have anything in particular you want to hear?
I want to hear Melanie Fiona.
Which one?
It Kills Me. Let's hear a little bit.
Okay.
A little acapella for you.
I got trouble with my friends, trouble in my life, problems when you don't come home at night. But when you do, you always start a fight. But I just can't be alone. I need you to come on home. I know you're messing around, but who the hell else is gonna hold me down?
Oh,
that's what I really
see, guys.
And you know what's so funny? Like, I love that song so much. I'm like, that has to be the next YouTube. So
I love that
you
song.
caught me off guard with it, but it's like one of my. I sing that in the shower.
I love that song. See, guys, see what I mean? She's very talented. You guys need to stick with Danni. Danni with an I, not a Y. Danni with an I.
Danni, not with one N.
Yeah, Danni. Danni. Danni's World, right?
Yes.
So there you have it. We have Danni here. She's singing her heart out. You know, gotta get her while she's here, while she's available, because in like 10 seconds she's gonna be not available. So there you have it, Franny, the Frenzy TV, Danni.
Thank you.
You know, this is how we do it.